Alright, so basically what happened here is I put it on time lapse, didn't know it, so I have to do a voiceover. What I did here was I bought some Super Springs helper springs for my Colorado. I'm doing a unboxing at the moment. Whenever I panned over to the transmission, I was basically saying that I've got to get a new bushing for the tail housing so I can finish that transmission up. These right here are the Super Springs. Here's the part number. Now these are the 1,100 pound capacity springs that I purchased here. You have the choice of 800s or 1100s. What I'm talking about right here is I don't know if I have to take apart the U-bolts and put it underneath or if I put it on top where the bump stop goes. The way that these actually go on is you just put it over the axle on the bump stop area. Flip the shackles around to where the threaded parts face outwards. Went ahead and skipped ahead here. What I did was I did the passenger side first so that I could get a feel for what I had to actually do before I filmed it. The way that I found to do it was to unbolt one side, lay it across with a neoprene pad or the rubber pad on top of the axle, and then I used a C-clamp to pull it down on the other side to get the shackle on. Now you can use a ratchet strap, which is what I show you later on in the video. Now if you look in the background, you can actually see the other super spring already attached. There is a warning on the shackles telling you not to tighten the certain bolts, which is ones that's actually attached to the super spring itself, not the one I'm unbolting right now. It is a 17. No, was it a 17? No, it's a 19 millimeter. They are 19 millimeters, the same as the lug nuts. So here I'm actually using the C-clamp to pull it down. If you see that little pin sticking out that I'm pointing at right now, I was basically saying I'm not too sure which side it needs to go on. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on the outside or the right hand side of that pin that's sticking down. It went on quite easily, to be honest. Very easy job. There's a little bit of trial and error there, trying to get it down just far enough. If y'all like this kind of content, please like, comment, and subscribe. I would like to hit 1,000 subscribers. That way I get monetized and I can bring y'all more content. Now I did gain about 4 inches of height here, which is what I'm showing you here. So y'all have a wonderful evening or morning, whichever one it is for y'all. Peace out.